Hello, and welcome to this multi-video lesson on Tigo's Energy Intelligence, or EI, inverter. This introduction only covers the EI inverter as a standalone product, not as part of the Tigo EI residential solution. The EI automatic transfer switch and battery are covered in separate videos. Also, integration with the Tigo TS4 module-level power electronics is also covered in a separate video. If you would like to learn more about the complete line of Tigo products, please check out the Tigo Academy to register for these product courses. The EI inverter is available in three sizes: 3.8, 7.6, and 11.4 kilowatts. As the primary component in a PV system, the Tigo inverter demonstrates flexibility in multiple areas. It has 2, 3, or 4 maximum power point trackers, depending on the model, so rooftops with complex roof geometries or shading are no longer an issue. Need to replace an older inverter that has reached the end of its service? The Tigo EI inverter is an easy removal and replacement solution for EPCs focused on O&M. The Tigo inverter has a DC to AC ratio of 200%, so accommodating existing arrays or filling the rooftop with as much solar as possible for a new system is not a problem. No worries when it comes to rapid shutdown compliance. When the EI inverter is used with Tigo's TS4 O&F products, it's integrated. The inverter shown here in this simple diagram has a PV start of only 80 volts, which means it will start up early in the morning. That solar energy can be used to charge the Tigo EI battery, if installed. Oh, you can add a Tigo battery at any time, and it seamlessly integrates into the existing PV system. The maximum system DC voltage is 600 volts, but the maximum full load operating range of the EI inverter is 80 to 550 volts. It is crucial to understand that the EI inverter will stop production if the DC voltage reaches 550 volts. You must adjust your string sizing to account for this, particularly for repower applications or when replacing an aged-out third-party inverter. Watch this video to learn how to size a PV array using Tigo's sizing tool tutorial. The inverter can accommodate 240 volt and 208 volt service panels. Although all Tigo inverters require a 2-pole breaker, the code permits the installation of single-phase inverters, commonly referred to as split-phase inverters, on a 3-phase panel. For more information on 3-phase applications, refer to this Help Center article. Tigo also supports flexible mounting options with a compact inverter form factor, making it easier to install in tight utility spaces or retrofit scenarios where real estate is limited. The wiring compartment is installer-friendly, with clear labeling and adequate spacing for clean cable management. No additional dongles or external communication kits are required. All you need is a local internet connection, wired or Wi-Fi, for remote monitoring and future diagnostics. For EPCs designing across multiple jurisdictions, the EI inverter meets UL 1741 SA and is California Rule 21 compliant, with support for advanced grid features are required. This helps reduce permitting friction and ensures long-term compatibility with evolving interconnection requirements. Tigo has removed the worry and hassle of system commissioning with the fast, easy, and intuitive Energy Intelligence app, and the best part is that you have 24/7 access, visibility, and control over your system. Please contact us if you have any questions about Tigo's EI inverter. Thanks for watching.